Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant and I am here to discuss about my project R3. But first things first, I would like for you to know me a bit. I am an enthusiast of creating new things, a creator, a BTech CSE student from Bennett University. I have always been intrigued with the idea of creating new things and innovation from scratch. I have made couple of projects in my school life, like from making dam to windmills and a smart city, that too from scratch and recyclable resources. And further in this video, we are going to talk about my project R3, how it came to life, what it is, and what approach we are planning to do in the near future, what goals, what objective we have set, everything you need to know about it. Thank you. Current situation. This pandemic period has affected each one of us, and many of us have been asked to move to work from home culture. Many students have been asked to attend the classes and their lectures through online sessions using Microsoft and other platforms. Our meetings are being held on Zoom. Our presentations are being held on Zoom. The project demonstrations are being held on Zoom, Microsoft, and other platforms. Thus, this leads to an increase in demand of home and office furniture, and the furniture available in the market is only in the terms of chair, desk, and all. So, and the furniture that is particularly for home office is quite expensive, and not everyone can afford an home office smart furniture. Thus, this led to the innovation of R3. Objective and goal. The objective of R3 is to create an product which is eco-friendly, sustainable, user-friendly, a customizable product that leads to greater, or you can say that leads to enhance your productivity as well as your efficiency without affecting your pockets. Our aim is to create a website by December 2020 and to launch a very first product or the prototype or the 3D model of the product by next year January. We will be launching our Instagram page by uh, December first week. So this will lead to get the insight over to get an insight of audience what they want, whether our idea is feasible or not, what their customizations can be, their demands, their needs, etc. Budget and costing. The budget of the project isn't decided as of now because it is wholly based on the customization demanded by the client, whether he or she needs a performance PC or normal one. um, it will depend upon the components, but we are having a plus point over the other PC builders in the market. As we are using the refurbished technology, the refurbished components, it will degrade automatically degrade the cost um, of the build process. Like in a market, intermediate PC gaming PC costs around 1 lakh to 1 lakh 30,000, and if we do the same, it will cost us around 88,000 to 92,000, and the whole project will cost around 1 lakh 10,000 inclusive of taxes. And on the other hand, the PC market, if you only look for the price of the cabinet price ranges from 6,000 to 50,000 and all to the level of 80,000 as well. Home office setups and the furniture are often quite expensive and takes up a lot of space and are due to the pandemic period they are in a high demand. The setup may lead to a messy kind of environment that leads to the deterioration of the productivity and efficiency of the client. Uh, to meet the demands of the client and the smart home furniture, the R3 is using an eco-friendly approach toward making a smart device or a smart home device that is a PC, a desk, all in one. And in future, we will be using IoT and AI implications to enhance the user experience and to give them a unique thing over the time. R3 is building a table PC which is unique in its own manner. It is cost effective, it is user friendly, it is environmental friendly. Uh, it is we are looking forward to make it a sleek and minimalistic design. It will be based on the consumer's approach, what they want, and whether they want a performance PC, whether they want a regular PC, anything, we will do it for them. Uh, the materials used in the product will be all recyclable with government grade, from the components to the wood to the metals, everything will be graded and checked. Quality will be thoroughly checked. Everything has been monitored under experts from IICD Jaipur. Uh, the components will be sourced from the company directly without voiding their legal technicalities to provide a better experience of refurbishment of using things that have been discarded. Thus, it will solve a problem that is e-waste. 30% of the total uh, products that have been made by the company are being discarded or are being returned as refurbished products. We will be using them. Thank you. The vision is to create a brand using sustainable approach to fulfill the basic needs of our users of the Indian market. Secondly, R3 is just the first step towards the implementation and fusion of IoT, AI, designing, and sort of computer technicalities together as a product. The table PCs our very first product, and it is based whole soul on the impact to impact the workspace environment. Our second product is on ideation and it will be based on a leisure or a luxury work environment to provide a comfortable comfortable experience, luxury experience to the users.